boys and girls, welcome to another ESP. Let's take a look at our target and find out what our new sound is. I can read and spell words with the cluster IGH. So you know we're going to be finger spelling and using our nicest handwriting, but we have the letters IGH. Now, IGH does not say IGH. So IGH all together makes the long I sound. So it says I. And it has two rules with it. It can either come at the end of a word all by itself, or it'll have a T afterwards. So take a look at this example. Here we have a word, I, sigh. And if you sigh, it sounds like this. Sigh. Notice IGH is at the end of this word all by itself. The other rule is that it might have a T after it. So let's finger spell this word. T-I-T, tight. If something is too tight, it might be uncomfortable. This IGH makes the long I sound. Here are some other examples. Now, when we use our fingers, we put IGH on one finger. So, for example, this first word, we're only going to use two fingers for. So let's do it. Thumbs up for I, hi. Notice this hi is not me saying hi to you. This one is like up high in the sky. Let's move over to this word. Thumbs up. T-I-T, tight. There's an example with the T at the end. All right, let's move to the pink words. Here we go. Thumbs up. S-I-T, sight. And over to the next one. Thumbs up. Fr-I-T, fright. Bottom two purple words. Let's do it. Thumbs up. R-I-T, right. And L-I-T, light. Notice in all of these words, the IGH does not say IGH. It makes the long I sound and just says I. So don't let that G and that H fool you. The letters together, it's called a cluster. It says I. And some have the T at the end, and others have nothing at the end. The IGH is just there. All right, let's read some review words. You'll see I added some endings to some of our words so that we can practice some ing words and some ED, happened in the past words. Remember, after we finger spell together, I'm going to ask you to pause this video and go through and either finger spell all of them or just read them. Here we go. Thumbs up for the first row. E-V-A-N-T, event. Sl-o-ing, slowing. Stri-I-P-S, stripes. Can you tell me in the word slowing, what is the base word? Slow. We take my ending ing off and my base word is slow. Excellent. Look at the word event. Can you think of why that E says E? Well, remember, we have a vowel, consonant, vowel. That means I divide, and that first vowel is long. So it's event, event. All right, next row, thumbs up. Light, light. Ring, ring. J-E, jelly. Do you remember what W-R means? To twist. So if you wring out a towel, you are twisting it so the water pours out of it. All right, next row, thumbs up. Sung, sung. N-at, ed, knotted. Splat, splat. Can you tell me what an ED means? If I see an ED, when did this word happen? In the past. Excellent. Here we go, bottom row. Thumbs up. Long, long. D-u-t-e, duty. Throw-ing, throwing. All right, it's your turn. Pause this video. Read through these words one more time. Remember, if you need to finger spell, go ahead. And if you don't, then just read them and then meet me back here with something to write with. All right, welcome back. I hope you practiced and you were able to read to someone. Now let's move on to writing some IGH words. So you can see I have IGH written in the corner of my board. You might want to write it in the corner of yours because every single word that we write is going to have an IGH in it. Now that IGH might be at the end or there might be a T after. So here we go. I'll say, you say, finger, spell, and write. Sigh. Thumbs up. I, sigh. Remember, a sigh is when you, maybe you're not happy about something or maybe you're tired. You might sigh. S, and there's your IGH. Notice he's at the end. That's one of our options for him. All right, here's your next one. You go to sleep at this time of day. Night. Here we go, thumbs up. Night. Go ahead and use your neatest handwriting and write me the word night. We have N, IGH says I, and here's your T at the end, night. Excellent. Now at night, you might see a star in the sky, and it might be really bright. That's your next word, bright. Thumbs up, bright. Go ahead and write me in your neatest handwriting, bright. BRIGHT, bright. Excellent job. And your last one is sight. Thumbs up, sight. That beautiful star might be an amazing sight to see. Sight. SIGH and a T at the end is sight. Excellent job. Can you read the two words on the screen for me, please? Hopefully you said there and there. Now, these are sound-alike words, so they both say there, but they're not spelled the same. The very top word is THERE, there, like go sit over there. You can see the arrow on the R telling you to go over there. And the bottom there is spelled THEIR. And notice I turned that I into a stick person because this there has to do with people having something. That was their puppy that just ran in the room. There. Remember our saying for 3 sight words, could, would, and should. We have, oh, you lucky ducky. So when we're spelling, we can use our little saying, oh, you lucky ducky, to help us spell O-U-L-D. So let's read our words on the bottom. Ready? Could, would, should. All right, my friends, I have a poem for you today. Not a story, but a poem that you're going to be reading with me right now and on your assignment. And it has lots of IGH words in it. So let's take a look at the top. Let's read it together. Here we go. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have this wish I wish tonight. So that is a little poem that I know as a kid I used to say with my brother and sister while looking up at the stars, trying to make a wish. So your job is going to be to click next, practice reading some of our IGH words, and read that poem and answer some questions. Excellent job like usual, my friends. I will see you next time.